Wacom 1, you guys. Let's get into some artwork. Quick review. I love this product. This is my second purchase of it. The first one, been through the mud. Been through the mud. Hella efficient. Durability's crazy. The accuracy's phenomenal. Wacom is like my top product when it comes to all of my digital art. So we're doing this Wacom 1 unboxing for the new comic book, for the new Fingerboard comic book. Poe 3D Arts, Nav King, what it do, 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 what it do. Let's crack this baby open. Start visualizing, you guys. Start freaking visualizing. Wacom 1 Creative Pen Display. Bonus software pack. Creative Pen Display 13.3. Bruh. This unboxing, I bought this probably 2 years ago. It's been doing phenomenal work. Not gonna lie. It's one of my favorite products. Yes, this is not the first time I bought this. But yes, I would buy it again and again because the things it was able to go through, the shoots it's been on, the fucking creative missions, journeys that I took it on, it is a very durable product. Sheesh Louise. All right, bet you guys. Let's get into some art.